Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Figuring out where to mail your IRS Form 9465, the installment agreement request, can be confusing, so let's clear it up right now. This is the form you use when you owe the IRS money but can't pay it all at once and want to set up a monthly payment plan. The address you need depends on one main thing. Are you filing Form 9465 with your current year's tax return, or are you filing it by itself? If you are filing it along with your Form 1040 tax return, the process is simple. You just attach Form 9465 to the front of your tax return and mail the entire package to the address listed in the instructions for your Form 1040. Don't look for a special address for the 9465 in this case. Just use your regular tax return mailing address based on your state and whether or not you're including a payment. Now, for the more common situation, filing Form 9465 separately because you already filed your return or you're responding to a notice. In this case, the mailing address depends on where you live. I'm going to break it down by state groupings. If you live in states like Florida, Louisiana, Mississippi, or Texas, you'll send it to the Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Austin, Texas, 73301-0025. For residents of states like Alaska, California, Hawaii, or Washington, you'll mail it to the Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Fresno, California, 93888-0025. If you live in Connecticut, Illinois, New York, or New Jersey, among others, your address is the Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Kansas City, Missouri, 64999-0025. And for a large group of states in the middle of the country and the East Coast, including Ohio, Georgia, Pennsylvania, and Virginia, your destination is also the Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Kansas City, Missouri, 64999-0025. But here is the most important tip of all. If the IRS sent you a bill or a notice about the taxes you owe, look closely at that notice. It will almost always tell you exactly where to mail your correspondence, including your Form 9465. Using the address on that notice is your best bet because it directs your form to the specific department handling your case. Even better than mailing, consider doing this online. The IRS strongly encourages taxpayers to use the online payment agreement tool on their website, irs.gov. You can usually get an immediate answer about whether your payment plan is approved, and you avoid the hassle and wait time of mail altogether. It's faster, more secure, and the preferred method for most people. Remember, addresses can change, so before you seal that envelope, do a quick search for the latest Form 9465 instructions on the IRS website to confirm the most current mailing address for your location. We hope this cleared up the confusion about where to send your form. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward tax tips.